9 ways I undo winter damage on hair, skin, and nails. Hello guys, we are back with more tips and ideas on how to care for your skin during this harsh winter weather. Have you experienced some of this winter bod? Guys, here are some tips on how to avoid the scaling and flaking skin during this period. Here are my useful tips. There are plenty of things to love about winter, but the way it ravages our skin and looks isn't one of them. Unless you are lucky enough to live in a warm climate, you know exactly what we are talking about. We all know the feeling of winter dryness, rough, tight skin, chapped lips, brittle nails, and hair that feel like it desperately needs a vacation to some tropical paradise. These are common experiences this time of the year, and they are not flattering. The cause? The lack of humidity in the air dries out our skin. But because of this cold weather, we may also fall into habits that aren't helping the body, which is already withered by winter. But the good thing is that there is a solution to this problem. Here are some genius tips to lock in moisture and undo winter damage. Skin tips. Keep showers short. Yes, the hot water feels good, and who doesn't love a steamy 20-minute shower? Well, your skin may not. Long showers dry out the skin, and it's best showering for 5 to 10 minutes only in warm, not hot water. The American Academy of Dermatology (AAD) says that if you shower for longer, your skin can end up more dehydrated than before you showered. Hot water strips your skin of its oils faster than warm water. Moisturize your skin. The job of moisturizer is to create a seal on your skin to prevent water from escaping. In a drier environment like winter, your skin loses moisture faster, so it's crucial that you moisturize correctly and consistently. Helpful tip: using a really good barrier cream. I prefer creams over lotion in the winter. Lotions are usually lighter. Creams are a little bit thicker, so they are going to moisturize more. The thicker creams are best for the winter periods. Timing is also important. You should really be moisturizing right after you get out of the shower. Then your skin is damp. It's recommended. That's when you want to lock that moisture into your skin. It's best when your skin has some wetness and is not totally dried off. Skip the harsh soaps. Using harsh soaps or detergents can strip oils from your skin and cause it to become dry, says the American Academy of Dermatology (AAD). Be wary of products that may contain alcohol or fragrances, such as deodorant bars or antibacterial soaps. Instead, look for skincare products that contain moisturizers or add oils and fats. Also, look for mild or fragrance-free products. They are gentle, and the more moisturizing the product, the better it is for your skin. Nail tips. Put on petroleum jelly. An all too common winter complaint is brittle or chipping nails. While overall body moisturizing can help maintain healthy nails, an easy thing to do is just using a thicker emollient like a petroleum jelly and putting it on your hands, particularly around the fingernails where your cuticles are, to just help moisturize the area the same way you are moisturizing your skin. Petroleum jelly is often effective at healing chapped lips. The American Academy of Dermatology (AAD) suggests applying it as a balm before bedtime, since the thick, greasy consistency is a bit heavy to wear during the day. On your hand washing. While this is not a seasonal phenomenon, repeated hand washing may lead to excess dryness in the nails. So next time you wash your hands, be conscious about applying a hand moisturizer afterward. Hair tips. Shampoo less. A lot of the same culprits that dry out your skin can also affect your hair, namely hot water and overwashing. And while the above tips can tame your tresses in the winter, it may cause dry scalps, which typically manifest through flaking or itching. Helpful tip: spacing out the frequency of the washes can help, because the more hot water you've touching your scalp, the more you're going to dry it out. If you space out your washes every other day or every couple of days, depending on your hair type, that's going to help decrease some of the dryness you're experiencing. If you have dandruff, try an over-the-counter anti-dandruff shampoo, and if it doesn't help, see a dermatologist for a prescription-strength shampoo. Condition more. The American Academy of Dermatology (AAD) also suggests using conditioner after every shampoo. Conditioner helps improve the look of damaged or weathered hair and increases hair strength. And also note that Conditioner helps decrease your hair's static electricity. When shampooing, focus on your scalp. With conditioner, focus on your hair tips. Treat less. As much as we love hair highlights and perfectly coiffed layers, overprocessing your hair causes damage. Excessive hair treatments, everyday blow-drying, or multi-process hair coloring combined with wintry weather is a double disaster for your hair. Decrease the frequency of heat exposure, dye exposure, all of those things to help with the hair not feeling as dry or brittle or break-in. Warning signs. After all these efforts, you find that your dry skin, hair, or nails are not improving. See your dermatologist. Visit a dermatologist if you experience any of these symptoms: persistent itching, a rash, red scaling, cracked skin, open sores or infections from scratching, small red bumps that may leak fluid when scratched, red to brownish gray patches, raw, sensitive, or swollen skin from scratching. These could be signs of a winter eczema, seasonal excessive dryness during winter. It is advisable to see a dermatologist who will check your skin to make sure nothing more is going on. When buying a moisturizer, here are some ingredients you should look for in your moisturizers. Barrier creams often have the best ingredients to help repair the top layer of your skin. Ceramides, glycerine, and hyaluronic acid are all good things to look for when purchasing creams. For individuals who have flaky and scaling skin and in certain areas of their body, use ingredients such as lactic acid to help exfoliate the skin and get rid of excessive dead skin layer while also moisturizing your skin. Please subscribe, share, and turn on the notification button to watch more amazing tips on beauty and health. Leave a comment below and tell us how useful these tips are to you and which ones you have used.